Do you guys find that you need just a little bit extra light when you guys are cooking in the kitchen in the evening? Or do you guys get up in the middle of the night to get a glass of water, but you don't want to blind yourself by turning on all the overhead lights in your RV? Well, this product may be your solution. Hi, I'm Lindsay from RecPro, and today we are talking about our Undercabinet Light. So this light, the product code for this light is RP-1679. This light has two LED light strips in it and is secured in this plastic housing with a frosted glass. The frosted glass helps soften the LED lights. I'm gonna go ahead and put the dimensions up here on the screen for you guys so you guys can see how big it is and whatnot. So this light, like I said, has two LED light strips. You may be wondering, that's kind of peculiar. Why does it need two LED light strips? Well, over here on this little toggle switch, it's really easy to use. You can choose whether you want to use one LED light switch or light strip, or if you wanted to use both LED light strips. It gives you the ability to control how bright of light you want. So if you're up in the middle of the night, you may just want to use one, so it's not totally blinding. But when you're cooking and you need all the lights, go ahead and use both the lights. So LED lights are great. They are long-lasting lights. They have really good energy efficiency and they're brighter than traditional lights. So if you guys are interested in this product, please check out the description down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.